purma-purma ka pa. Medal of Honor, Valor. Tapos wala ng utin. Wala na yan. Sabi ko, palagay kayo ng 2 holster. Lakad-lakad kayo sa kampo, puta yan. Walang lalaban sa'yo. Ano, 2 yung baril mo. Akin, 1 lang eh. But you know, I'm not trying to be funny. Reserve 1 magazine for yourself. Do not be afraid to die. All of us will die. Go ahead. Kill. That is your duty. What's wrong with that? Alang magpakamatay ka. Maraming salamat po.